Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is version 2A of wiper roller assembly replacement. First, open the top cover. Open the clamshell. Execute wiper roller microfiber replacement program. The wiper roller will move to wipe position. Unlatch both latches from the assembly wiper module. Remove the old wiper roller microfiber. Place a new wiper roller microfiber and ensure it is properly assembled. Secure the wiper roller with 2 latches. Exit wiper roller microfiber replacement program. Close the clamshell. Finally, close the top cover. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.